Okay, I had a little bit of an accident and I ripped a hole through my undercarriage of my Jeep, so I'm going to repair it with some Flex Seal. First, I'm going to tape the bottom. Okay, this is the hole underneath the bottom of it. Got this rubber tape stuff that you would use to fix a roof leak or repair. So I'm going to try to see how that works. Okay. I've got the tape underneath the bottom of it. Now I'm just going to shake up this Flex Seal and we're going to apply it and see what happens. Okay, the directions say read the entire directions before use. Make sure that you shake the can really well and that the surface must be dry and clean and free from grease, oil, and dirt. Spray well. Spray 8 to 12 inches from surface using a sweeping motion. Apply several coats until all cracks and holes have been completely filled. Each coat must dry before applying additional coats. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, I have my protective gear. I've got my sunglasses on and a glove. And I've got the glove on the wrong hand. Switch that. Alright, I'm ready to do it. Eight to 12 inches, or 8 to 10, I guess that looks about far enough away. Let's scoot that carpet back a little. Looks good to me. Okay. I squirted it in the wrong spot. Oh, it stinks. It's really smelly. Make sure you're ventilated. I'm going to go around and open the other door. I don't know if this is going to work because this hole is so big. I'm going to try to spray some more. I know it said let it dry, but ugh, it stinks so bad. Ooh, the wind's blowing it on me. I think I'm just going to spray a bunch more. See how it goes for a minute. Maybe I should let it dry for a few minutes and see. I think if I use a whole can, eventually it'll cover it. We'll try. Okay, I think this crack is a little bit too big for the Flex Seal because I've waited several hours and I put more on and it's not really doing anything. So I'll have to do another route. I'm just going to take the tape stuff that I have for my roof and just put it on there. And then just put the carpet back down. it's just like brand new. If anyone has any suggestions on how to fix that, just let me know down below in the comments, and thanks for watching.